What's up, Coach Ryan family here. Boom! Coming at you from the Fat Loss Solution with another FLS quick tip. Today, I'm gonna give you a tip that, believe it or not, you can get to 8% body fat if you're a male, or 16% body fat with a female without counting calories, without dealing with macronutrients, anything like that. It's a few simple, quick choices, 2 quick tips, and they deal with controlling your appetite. So the first tip is to eat high quality, unprocessed foods, foods that have a single ingredient. Beef, bison, snow peas, broccoli. Those are all one ingredient type foods. If you have something and it's got multiple ingredients, it's probably not going to lead you towards your goal. So if you stick to single ingredient foods, is step 1, unprocessed foods. Now, why is this important? Unprocessed foods tend to have lots of protein and lots of fiber, 2 things that make you feel full so that you won't overeat it. When you look at boxed foods or packaged foods, things like trans fats, high fructose corn syrups, those are 2 things that signal your brain that you actually need to eat more. That's right, so stuff like that can actually be addicting. So high fiber, high protein foods signal your brain that you're full. Things with high fructose corn syrup, trans fats, and lots of chemical additives can actually signal your brain that you need to eat more, which will not help you in your quest to get lean. Okay, so step 2 then is eat until you're about 80 to 90% full, and then stop the meal. When we were kids, and anyone that has a toddler or a little niece or nephew understands this concept very well, but when we were kids, we all had appetite control. If you don't believe me, try to give a little 1-year-old a spoon of food when they've had enough. Boom! They swat that thing right out of the air, food goes flying. It's because they have internal appetite control. Somewhere along the lines, probably when our parents told us, you eat that full plate of food or you won't get to watch TV tonight, somewhere we lost our ability to control our appetites, and now we eat the whole plate, whether it's this big or whether it's this big. So you need to learn to retrain your appetite. So to review, the 2 things you can do to get to 8% body fat as a male or 16% body fat as a female: 1, eat whole unprocessed single ingredient foods, and 2, eat until you're 80 to 90% full. You do that, you don't have to necessarily worry about calories, macros, any of that complicated science. That's it, getting shredded, as simple as can be. I'm Coach Ryan from the Fat Loss Solution, out.